So if you observe, before we get started with this, so the name of the chapter is current, electricity. First, let's try to understand this. What do you mean by current here? Current means something that is flowing or moving. Right? We say that the charges move or the charges are flowing, something, right? Then what does electricity mean? Electricity comes from the word charge. So if the charges are in motion, then you can think of a branch of physics called as electrodynamics. Because what was the previous thing we saw was electrostatics. The previous thing that we saw was electrostatics. Electro here refers to charges and static refers to rest. Right. Now we need to discuss the counterpart. What will happen when these charges are put into motion? It falls under a branch of physics called as electrodynamics, right? Where we are going to discuss about this chapter, current, electricity.